Wakahinda karaya nyamu cia githaka cikoretwo cikiguciriria agendi kuma kona ciothe cia thi, undu urehagira Kenya mabilioni ma mbeca oro mwaka. Nyamu iria cirĩ ngumo nene bũrũri-inĩ nĩ hamwe na njogu, mĩrũthi, munyi, ngarĩ na mbogo iria citambũrĩkanĩte ta Big Five, no nĩ kũrĩ na kĩhĩri kĩa nyamũ ingĩ ndie-inĩ citiganĩte guothe bũrũri-inĩ.
There are two ways we can benefit from wildlife. One is non-consumptive utilization, like now tourists coming and maybe, you know, when they come to see our wildlife here, that is non-consumptive. They will see, we will benefit, and then they will leave. Consumptive is where maybe people are granted the rights to maybe kill the animal, like hunting.
Bũrũri ũgunĩke makĩria na nyamũ cia gĩthaka, thirikari kũgerera Ministry ya Ũgendi na Ũramati wa Nyamũ cia Gĩthaka nĩ yũnganĩte mawoni ma mũingĩ gũcenjia watho wa ũramati wa nyamũ cia gĩthaka wa mwaka wa 2013 gwĩtĩkĩria Akenya kũrĩithagia, kũhĩta, kwendia na kũraga nyamũ cia gĩthaka arĩ njĩra ya gũciramata, kũgacĩrithia mĩtũrĩre ya ndũrĩrĩ iria cikaranagia na nyamũ ici.
Kama mimi sikumbuki wakati nimewahi kula nyama ya mnyamapori kulingana na desturi yetu, kwa sababu kwa Masai ni tabu kukula mnyama ya msituni na uko na ng'ombe ama kondoo nyumbani.
Serikali turuhusu tuweze kufuga wanyama kama sungura ama swara ama dikdik, ndiposa tuweze kuwapata kama chakula, lakini si kuwafuga alafu tupate kuwachinja tufanyie biashara ya kuuza nyama.
Ũngania wa maoni watirihirwo tarĩki 25 mweri wa 5 mwaka ũyũ, ataramu na ramati a nyamũ cia gĩthaka makĩonekana gwĩkĩrĩra nganja ũhoti wa bũrũri wa Kenya kũgacĩrithia watho ũyũ.
It should not just be localized in one place. It is they're supposed to take like an ecosystem, an integrated approach, so that as we talk about now cropping and carrying, it is known like how many species, how many like the exact population of wildlife we have per species, and also what should happen, because in the past there was the consumptive utilization that was allowed and it didn't go far because of governance issues.
Mendekithia ma ũcenjia wa watho ũyũ umanĩte na riboti ya mwaka wa 2019 yoĩkaine ta Consumptive Utilization of Wildlife, ĩrĩa yugĩte watho wa ũramati wa nyamũ cia gĩthaka nĩ wĩtĩkĩrĩtie ũrĩithia, ũrĩi na wendia wa makĩria ma nyamũ na mĩmera 300, no ĩkauga watho ũyũ ũrĩ na magesha.
Hiyo bili inaletwa, sioni haja ya watu kupewa nafasi waweze kuinda ama kutafuta wakule wanyamapori. Hiyo tuachie, najua sasa nature ina balance. Sisi tumepewa ng'ombe, tumepewa kondoo, kuna simba, kuna nini, na wacha hao wakule.
Right now we are talking about having our population of wildlife decreasing. There is data that shows that over time the wildlife has decreased by over 65% in this country. So whatever we have now, if we allow it for like consumptive utilization, then we are fearing that we might even lose more.
Nyamũ iria Akenya metĩkĩrĩte kũiga mĩciĩ-inĩ nĩ hamwe na ing'ang'i, nguru, ciĩmbu, ndinoho, ciũra, njagathi, ihuruta na nyoka cia gũkama thumu, kũgucĩrĩria agendi na kwendia cirĩ muoyo.
Game farming, there is a list of species that are provided for in the Wildlife Act, which you can be allowed as long as you obtain license from KWS. You can be allowed to farm.
Mwena-inĩ wa nyoni iria Mũkenya angĩiga nĩ hamwe na nyaga, ndutura, bata, nganga, kweli gatagatĩ kaingĩ.
Community wanapata faida sana kwa wanyama. Unaona saizi ndovu ina faida kuliko, kama mimi niko na ng'ombe 1000 ama 500. Ndovu moja ina faida kushinda hao. Kwa sababu faida ya ng'ombe yako ukipeleka soko simeisha. Na hiyo ndovu si mgeni anakuja anaangalia kwa miaka zaidi ya 10 na bado yuko hapa.
No rĩendekithia rĩa kũhingũra thũgũrĩ ũhĩti na ũrĩi wa nyamũ cia gĩthaka nĩ rĩreganĩtwo narĩo nĩ ndũrĩrĩ iria cikaranagia na nyamũ ici.
Kitambo wa Masai hawakuwa wanakula nyama ya wanyama pori. Walikuwa wanasema si mzuri. Lakini siku hizi wameonja nyama ya wanyama pori wakasikia ni tamu. Lakini sisemi hivi ati ni kwa sababu siwezi sema hivyo kuwa ati imekuwa tamu ikuwe wanaenda kuwinda wanyama kwa sababu ya chakula. Lakini ile inaweza shikwa na waya ama inaweza anguka tu kwa mto, inaweza kuliwa kama chakula, kwa sababu unaweza kuta imevunjika mguu, haiwezi tembea tena. Sasa inabidi tu ichinjwe.
Kiuria kinene ni hihi no wende mendekithia maya makinyanire.
Wapo hiyo bili italetwa, watu watatumia kama hiyo mwanya ya kupewa waende wawinde, tuseme kama nyati wakule nyama. Utakuta kwa njia nyingine tutaanza kurudisha hata ile mambo ya illegal poaching kupitia kwa hiyo mwanya ikifunguliwa.
Because of the porous nature of our systems, that's why in my opinion I would say we shelf off that until we come with a proper mechanism that can allow that to happen.
Kameme TV gikuyo horo gitau wa Wanjikũ.